Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the Windows Update error 0xC1900209 incompatible software is blocking the upgrade process, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. First of all, you need to update the conflicting software. For this, identify the software. It would be a recent one which you have installed, and there are rarely any software products which are not compatible with Windows. However, there is a list for the same. If it helps, well and good. If not, then you can consider uninstalling it because it will not work anyway. So the procedure to uninstall a software is as follows. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command appwiz.cpl and hit enter. This will open the programs and features window. Identify the software, right click on it and select uninstall. Click on yes. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.